Stop trying to optimize your workout split or buying expensive supplements. The reason you haven't stuck to a fitness routine isn't because you lack discipline or the perfect program. It's because you're playing a game of all or nothing in a world that demands consistency. If you want to actually change your body, you have to stop acting like an elite athlete and start acting like a scientist running a very simple experiment. We are bombarded with information. Intermittent fasting, keto, HIIT, zone 2 cardio, macro tracking. It feels like if you don't master all of these on day one, you've already failed. But here's the thing, complexity is the enemy of adherence. Most people quit by week 3 because they've essentially been trying to learn an entirely new lifestyle overnight. The human brain is hardwired for efficiency, not misery. When you force a 180-degree shift in your daily habits, your brain classifies that as a threat, and it will pull you back toward your baseline faster than you can say, protein shake. Let's talk about the